Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 5, chapter 4. I know that's a little confusing, right? It'd be nice if they lined up, but they don't. So this week I think is going to be really interesting because we're going to talk about healthcare payers, right? The difference between a HMO and a PPO. You might see this if you have insurance, as an example, through your employer or something. You know, they'll say it's a PPO plan, it's an HMO plan. Well, you're going to learn about that kind of stuff in this week's lecture. There's a lot of great information about where to get, certain coverages and such. So be sure to watch the video, enjoy the PowerPoint, take your time in reviewing the information. And again, you have another review question set that's due in Chapter 4. And I want to offer a reminder, if you didn't do well on the review questions and you want to try them again, just reach out to me. I'll reset it for you. It's meant for studying. If you want to bolster your grade that way, I'm happy to turn things around. It's not really like a test or a quiz. It's more like a study guide for your exams coming up. Reach out to me if you have any questions. I appreciate all you're doing. Again, you're doing a great job, and I appreciate you keeping up with your work. Let me know if you need anything. Thanks so much.